Hello everyone in Medical Scribe. I'm Karrar Haider, student at Baghdad Medical College. In the previous video, we explained the superficial fascia and we completed its most important details. Now we will return to the classification of the fascia that classifies the fascia into 4 types. As you know, we completed the first type, which is the superficial fascia, while today we will begin with the second type, which is the deep fascia. We will explain the deep fascia by 3 videos. In the first one, we will talk about the deep fascia in general, while in the second one, we will talk about the deep fascia subtypes. And the last video, it will be about the deep fascia functions. So let's start. Firstly, the deep fascia will be defined as a dense, organized, and fibrous connective tissue layer. This layer will be devoid of fat, and it will cover most regions of the body. And it will be attached to the deep surface of the superficial fascia. Alright. Now we have to know that from what this layer is structured. In fact, the deep fascia composed of 3 main components, which are the fibers, the vessels, and the receptors. So regarding the fibers, we have the collagen fibers. These fibers will give the strength to the deep fascia. We have also the elastin fibers. These elastin fibers will determine how much extensibility and resilience the deep fascia will have. And we have the myofibroblasts. These are fibromuscular cells that give the deep fascia the ability to contract. This is regarding the fibers of the deep fascia. Regarding the vessels, the deep fascia will be highly vascularized and have well-developed lymphatic channels. And regarding the receptors, so in the deep fascia we have 5 main types of receptors, which are the nociceptors, that are pain-sensitive receptors, and the proprioceptors, which are movement change-sensitive receptors, the mechanoreceptors, which are pressure and vibration-sensitive receptors, the chemoreceptors, which are sensitive to the change in the chemical environment of the deep fascia, and finally, we have the thermoreceptors, which are temperature-sensitive receptors. So these are the most important types of the receptors that found in the deep fascia, and by them, we completed the deep fascia structure. Well, now we have to understand the thickness differences of the deep fascia between the regions. In some regions, such as the iliotibial tract of the fascia lata that found in the leg, the deep fascia here will be very well developed. While in some regions, such as the rectus sheath of the abdominal wall, the deep fascia here will be very thin and usually considered as absent. In other regions, such as the face, the deep fascia will be entirely absent. So these were almost everything regarding the introduction to the deep fascia. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.